name is Akash Raj Singh and currently I have completed my BTech from CSE branch. That too, my college was SRM Institute of Science and Technology, and I have joined QSpider in the month of December. Year was 2023, and currently, like right now, I have been placed through QSpider, and QSpider, I think it helped me a lot in growth of my career and as well as shaping my overall personality. Here the staffs are very good and they are friendly, and they are every time they are ready to support the student and to solve their doubts. And for the placement perspective, yeah, it's very good, and they help you to relate your concepts in the real time with the real time examples. So regarding the faculties of this institution, they are very good, they are very helpful in nature, and also they are not only teach you regarding the concepts, they also help you, like if you are stuck in something, like you don't know how to move and how to approach to that problem, so that they will guide you apart from the conceptual knowledge. They will also guide you in the decision making, and they will also keep motivated you, so that you never give up. Particularly, like I have joined here as a testing course, so in that field, like Vinay sir helped me a lot, like the way he delivered the concept, the way he teaches me, the way he has given examples in class. And after Vinay sir, like he has through him I have learned manual testing in a very good way, with the very good quality. Apart from the Vinay sir, like SQL I have learned from the Anmol sir, which was also I'm very thankful that I got to learn through Anmol sir. And after that, like for manual projects and API things, like I got with the I learned with Kushagra sir. He teaches me with the real time example, with the real time scenarios. And Selenium I have learned by Akash sir, helped me a lot, like to relate the things, like how it works, like finding the X path. He has shown everything practically, and the way he teaches me, I learned that things. And Sambhu sir also helped me in learning Java. Basically, yeah, we think Java is a very like vast language and it's hard to learn, but here in QSpider it's not like that. Sambhu sir will teach you from the scratch, and you will not feel like it's a boring or it's a tough subject. You will gain it easily. So yeah, it's a good. So all teachers were very helpful, and they have delivered a very quality. In quality wise, I can say like they have delivered a very good quality of the concepts.